There are different types of areas of practice. I found the area that I like the most, business law. There are two areas of business law that are a bit different than each other. One we call the solicitor's work. So that's where you draft contracts, you incorporate companies, you do share structures, you advise on bringing in investors, shareholders agreements, joint venture agreements, partnership agreements. That's usually the solicitor work. So that's paperwork. You sit down and you draft and you write and you advise clients, you hold meetings. I love that. It falls in naturally with my background in business. But then I was also drawn to the other side of business, which is litigation, going to court, fighting the battles in court. So I did both, and I still do both. I go to court for my business clients, disputes over clauses of contracts, investor disputes, property disputes. They all fall under business disputes. So on one end, I'm preparing the documents and advising clients on it. But then when my clients get into trouble or they aren't being unfairly treated by others, I easily go to court. And I love that dual practice, and it's a little bit rare. Most of my colleagues do either this or that. I find it very informative. When I'm in court and I can look at the Central Security Register of a company, the document that documents all the shareholders, I can tell if there's something wrong. I can read it easily. I can point to issues in some corporate documents when my colleague might not have that background because they were never a solicitor, they've always been a litigator. And vice versa, when I'm drafting a contract and I look, okay, well, this creates a gap here and room for conflict. This needs to be reshaped a little bit, or a process needs to be put in for conflict resolution, etc., etc. Experience that comes from being in court that I'm able to advise my clients in from the solicitor side.
So when there's chaos, I can call you.
You bet.